Question number 11. The seat of Kilasa as per Susruta is option A Avabhasini Twak, B Tamra Twak, C Vedini Twak, and D Rohini Twak. So the answer is option B Tamra Twak. Let's see the sloka of Tamra Twak. चतुर्थी ताम्रा नाम व्रीहिरष्टभाग प्रमाण विविध किलास कुष्ठ अधिष्ठान सुश्रुत शरीर chapter 4. Fourth layer is called Tamra, measuring an 1/8 of a Vrihi and is the seat of different types of Kilasa and Kushta. So let's see the 7 layers of Twak. First layer Avabhasini, second Lohida, third layer is Shveda, fourth Tamra, fifth Vedini, sixth Rohini and seventh Mamsadara. So this is the trick to remember. Avabhasini loves Shveda's Tamil Veda and Rohini Ma. So a girl named Avabhasini loves Shveda's Tamil Veda as well as Rohini ma'am. And the first is Avabhasini, first layer, loves Lohida, Shveda, Tamil is Tamra, Veda Vedini, Rohini sixth and ma'am is Mamsadhara. So also try to remember this picture.